Hello and welcome to French Made Fun. In today's lesson, we'll be learning some basic sentence constructions in French for singular as well as plural nouns. Beginning with singular nouns, we have four phrases that you must remember. Beginning with say, which means this is or it is, followed by ça n'est pas, which means this is not or it is not. Est-ce que, which means is this or is it that, and n'est-ce pas, which means isn't it this. Note that the est or est as we call it in French stands for is and is therefore indicative of a singular noun in a sentence. Let's go over these pronunciations once more. Say means this is or it is. Ça n'est pas means this is not or it is not. Est-ce que means is this or is it that. N'est-ce pas means isn't it this. Say, ça n'est pas, est-ce que, and n'est-ce pas are basic sentence constructions for singular nouns in French. If you have difficulty remembering these, just note that say, which is an affirmative sentence, has its opposite in ça n'est pas, which has ne before a and pas after a, whereas est-ce que, which is an interrogative sentence, has reversed the position of ce and a and become est-ce que, and then the negative of the interrogative will have ne before a and pas after ce, which makes it n'est-ce pas. Let's look at how they are used in sentences. Say a stylo means this is a pen. Ça n'est pas un stylo means this is not a pen. Est-ce que un stylo means is this a pen? And n'est-ce pas un stylo means isn't this a pen? C'est un stylo, ça n'est pas un stylo. Est-ce qu'un stylo? N'est-ce pas un stylo? Moving on, we have some basic sentence constructions for plural nouns, beginning with ça sont, which means these are, followed by ça ne sont pas, which means these are not. Next, we have est-ce que ce sont, which means are these. And lastly, est-ce que ce ne sont pas, which means aren't these. These formations follow the same principle as the singular nouns. We have ce sont, which is an affirmative sentence in plural, whose opposite will be negative, which means ce ne sont pas, which has ne before sont and pas after sont. Then we have est-ce que ce sont, which is an interrogative sentence where we have simply added est-ce que before ce sont to make it a question, that is, are these. And lastly, we have added est-ce que before ce ne sont pas for a negative interrogative, which is est-ce que ce ne sont pas, aren't these. Now let's take a look at some examples where these sentence constructions are used. Starting with ce sont les filles, these are the girls. Ce ne sont pas les filles, these are not the girls. Est-ce que ce sont les filles, are these the girls? And lastly, est-ce que ce ne sont pas les filles, aren't these the girls? This brings us to the end of our lesson on sentence constructions using singular and plural nouns. I now recommend you to frame your own sentences using these formations before you move on to learning more difficult topics in French. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with my upcoming videos. Au revoir.